Hi everyone and welcome to my channel. I'm really sorry for my bad pronunciation, but I am Italian and this is my first video in English, so please be kind because I'm not the best and I think that everyone can hear it. So in this video I wanted to show you how to strengthen and fix legs in Monster High, and this video will be in part 2 of one of my series on this channel that is called Guida al doll customizing per principianti, and it's about doll customizing for beginners, but it's only for Italian people, so I want to take this part and show to people from other country because I think that will be really useful for many people, because I haven't seen any detailed video about this, or they aren't filming really well, so I have a decent camera, so I wanted to do this. So in this video we will see first how to attack legs to a Monster High that doesn't have it, obviously, and so how to strengthen hips joints, and after how to strengthen really loose knee joints. Nothing, I hope that you will like this video, and let's start the tutorial / explanation. And so let's start. Obviously the first things we need is a Monster High without legs, in my case this poor Denial. I don't know why I didn't mention it before, but the first thing I'm going to show you is how to fix a broken peg inside the leg. So take a toothpick and carry the side to fit inside the hole left by the peg. Now take a strong bicomponent epoxy glue and secure the toothpick with it. And now you have a perfect leg. Take an elastic like this and carry the side you wanted it to be. Now insert it inside the hole between the peg and the leg and catch the other part with some pliers like this. Now you have to do the most difficult part of this process, to insert the two extremities of the elastic inside this hole in the doll. If you use some instrument like toothpick, pliers or others, this process will be relatively simple, and after you have done it, please stretch really tight the elastic because this will be really important after. Now take the other leg and do the exact same process that you've done for the previous leg, and after you have done it another time, stretch really tight the elastic with all your strength, because if you don't do this right, the joint will be really loose. In fact, I have to done this like 4 times, and after you've done it eventually, do 3 or more knots to make the union durable and stable. After you've done it, cut the excess of the elastic and hide them inside the hole between the leg and the doll with some instrument like toothpick. So when you end this process, you will be a perfect normal doll with tight joints and most important things, with legs. That is important, I think. So now take like the doll with loosest knee joints in the world. I swear, if you bend it, it will fall. If you touch it, it will swivel around, like they are really loose. Now take a generic super glue, every brand is good, even the cheaper one, and fill the gap between the conjunction. And after you have filled it, with like a lot of glue, I have to say it, start moving the lower part of the leg from bottom to top and from left to right, and don't stop moving it, because if you stop, the two parts of the leg will be connected by the glue and your doll will not be posable anymore. So after you remove it like 1,000 times, you will see that moving the lower part of the leg will be harder because the joint is hardening, is stiffening. So at the end of this long process, you will have a joint that will make your leg fall every time you move it, and a normal joint that will make your leg stay in position. So after you do it with the two legs, you will have a perfect normal doll. And so this video is finished. I hope you like it and you will fix every Monster High without legs or with really bad joints or whatever. And if you want, like this video and subscribe to my channel, and please give me some help with my English and give me some hints to improve it. And nothing, I'll see you in my next video. Bye bye!